Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to transfer money from Monzo to your bank account. Have you ever been in a situation where you need to transfer money from Monzo to your bank account, but you're not sure how to do it? Monzo is a great bank for people who are looking for a simple and affordable way to manage their finances. However, one of the drawbacks of using Monzo is that it can be difficult to transfer money to your bank account. There are two ways to transfer money from Monzo to your bank account. Online banking. This is the easiest way to transfer money from Monzo to your bank account. Simply log into your Monzo app and click on the Transfer tab. Then, enter the amount of money you want to transfer and the details of your bank account. Faster payments. Faster payments are a new way to transfer money between bank accounts. They are faster, cheaper, and more secure than traditional bank transfers. To use faster payments, you will need to have a faster payments enabled bank account. Once you have chosen your method, you will need to enter the following information: the amount of money you want to transfer, the details of your bank account, the reference code, if applicable. Once you have entered all of the information, click on the Transfer button. Your money will be transferred to your bank account within a few minutes. Make sure you have the correct bank details. If you enter the wrong bank details, your money will be transferred to the wrong account. Check the transfer status. You can check the status of your transfer in the Monzo app. If you have any problems, contact Monzo customer support. I hope this video has helped you to transfer money from Monzo to your bank account. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.